love is always there, and a much greater love than the human one. And that is what I have been feeling intuitively for a long time, and that I'm step by step coming into alignment with. Gradually, I'm coming to realize that all human love is pointing me towards the greater love that is our true nature. And that my duty here, and perhaps all of ours, is to align with that inside us. To not stop until we are only love, and we give love freely from a place that is resource, and not from a place of needing or wanting.